Hello students, welcome to your value education class. So brave heart, and here one picture you can see that father, I'm really sorry I did so badly. I promise to do well next time. So father is looking, watching the report card, and she did not do. She is too much worried. So what is father? Sometimes if you are not getting good marks, what your father did, he scold? Or sometime he is telling, okay, next time we'll do. So here there's a true story about a boy. So we can see that Salu, the TV news reporter, was interviewing Om Prakash Yadav. Who was Om Prakash? Om Prakash Yadav has received the National Bravery Award from the President of India. Here is an excerpt from the interview. Excerpt means just a part. Shalu is a news reporter, is a TV news reporter. Om Prakash, how old are you and where do you live? I am 14 years old and I live in the Azamgarh in Uttar Pradesh. Shalu, how far is in your school? It is nearly 22 kilometers. You can think that 22 kilometers he is coming. That is far. How do you go to school? 8 more children from my neighborhood study there. Neighborhood means those who are staying nearby. They are neighbor. So all of us go to a school in a van. Now tell us what happened on September 4, 2010 when you were 10 years old. This was an interview. One news reporter is taking the interview to that Om Prakash Yadav. They are going to school in a school van and 8 other students also going with him. And also driver is there. Now tell us what happened. So 4th September 2010, what happened? At that time, that Om Prakash was 10 years old. Om Prakash, we had started for school. In our school van, I was sitting near a window. The van stopped to pick up 2 children. Suddenly, I saw flames in the gearbox. The driver shouted, "Get out, get out." He jumped off and ran into the fields. What happened? What a responsibility of a driver. He just told that everybody can get out and he jumped and ran out. Just leave. He left the van and he did not see what happened to the child. The driver ran away. Om Prakash said, yes, the fire was spreading. I got up and opened the door of the van. The other children also stood up and started coming, one by one, down to the aisle. Aisle means this is a passage. 6 children got off safely, but 2 small girls were too afraid. They kept sitting. They are just sitting. They are too much afraid. They could not come also. The fire had filled the front of the van. I quickly ran to the back and pulled out both the crying girls. Actually, they are very small. They were crying. So, he pulled the crying girls. By then, the fire had reached the door, so I threw them out. My sleeve caught fire and the burning metal touched the side of mess. Because this is a van, so face, it was touched. You can see the picture. His face was like this. It was a true story. So, here I quickly ran back to them and pulled up both of the crying girls. Then the fire reached the door, so I threw them out. My sleeve caught fire and burning metal touched the side of my face. I jumped on the ground and dragged the both girls. Dragged means just pulled the both girls down and sloped before the van went up with a blast. After that, just it blasted. Means, can you imagine like this? That was very brave thing to do. You could have saved yourself, but you went after those 2 girls. The 2 girls also he had saved. Om Prakash, how could I leave them? They are like my sisters and they are afraid. You were really very brave and certainly deserved the award. Deserve means he should get the award. No, ma'am, I have not done anything special. I am sure other children in my place would have done the same thing. So he is not thinking that he was also special boy. He was thinking if any boy is in there, they can also do like this. Shalu is telling, my dear readers, Om Prakash is not only brave but humble too. Humble means very gentle. Instead of being proud that he has been honored by an award from his bravery, he believes he is like all ordinary children. It is this humility that actually makes him a special person. So it was a true story. Please read this. And I told also the meaning also I told. Here brave means that bravery award he has got. And here the neighborhood means that side he wherever they are staying or anybody staying, the locality. We are telling the neighborhood. And here also you can just sleep means a part of the hands or shirt. So here dragged means pulled. Next day I'll write all the meaning from your book, and also if anybody is getting the live class, we'll do that. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.